Hi, this is Dan Stuckey, the city engineer for Carson City. Wanted to give a quick update on the Curry Streetscape project in downtown Carson City as far as what's been done and kind of where the project is moving forward. To date, Q&D on the initial start of the project, they started with the underground utilities, so that included water, stormwater, and sewer improvements. And this week they're installing the storm drain improvements, which are mostly focused at the Telegraph Square area. As you've probably noticed over the last couple of weeks, they've started to demo the sidewalk and curb and gutter along the south part of the project, so close to Musser and around Proctor area. This week they're pouring concrete, so they've poured in some of the curb and gutter as well as the sidewalks, and they'll continue to do that over the next couple of days. And then next week they'll continue to demo and pour concrete north of Telegraph to Robinson. Also, I wanted to point out, beyond just the stormwater, water, and sewer utilities, they've also put in a lot of the electrical conduit and some of the irrigation as well. So moving forward, the project will start moving into the roadway reconstruction, so you'll see new asphalt on the ground. And then also they'll come back with some striping after that, as well as some landscaping improvements. Will be kind of the final thing that's accomplished with the project. Everything's on schedule for a Nevada Day opening. There may be some minor landscape improvements after Nevada Day in regards to planting of some trees or some shrubs in the area, but for the most part, everything should be open by Nevada Day.